guys, Lisa Gadetti here, Caldwell Banker Flanagan Realty. Want to ask you to give me 2 minutes to give you 5 reasons to come join me, 1943 Sawmill Court, this Sunday, the 2nd of December, 12 to 3 o'clock. Come on, join me. Reason number 1, when was the last time you've seen a traditional living room and dining room? Right here at 1943 Sawmill Court. Reason number 2, look at this amazing kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and of course you have your awesome pantry with all your pullouts. Reason number 3, this awesome den. You have an amazing fireplace, granite countertops, built-ins, gotta love it. Reason number 4, this awesome all-season room loaded with cedar planks. And last but not least, reason number 5. Need I say more? All right, so to sum it up, I'm asking you to join me this Sunday, December 2nd, 12 to 3 o'clock, 1943 Sawmill Court, right here in Toms River. Please come join me and see this remarkable home. We'll see you then.